Following a developing story in Erie County, health officials confirm a local patient has been diagnosed with the Zika virus. News 4's Allie Ingersoll spoke with the Erie County Health Commissioner about what they're doing to contain the virus. Allie?
Callan, well, first off, it's important to note this person will be okay. We don't really know much about the patient at this time, so here's what we do know. They're from Erie County, and they recently traveled to El Salvador. Upon arrival back to the U.S., this person showed some symptoms, and the Zika virus testing came back positive.
This is the first case of an Erie County resident being diagnosed with Zika virus.
Erie County's health commissioner, Dr. Gail Burstein, says the state's been aggressive in testing anyone with symptoms who's been recently traveling to countries where the virus is being transmitted. And it's through that testing this Erie County resident with the Zika virus was discovered.
We are conducting surveillance to look for people who could have Zika virus in our area, but we believe that we don't expect to see local transmission of Zika virus in our area.
Though there's been a case where the virus was transmitted sexually, it's commonly transferred from a certain type of mosquito.
We're fortunate in Western New York that we do not have the strains of mosquitoes that can transmit Zika virus.
The health commissioner says in most cases, the symptoms last less than a week.
In otherwise, healthy adult or even child, the Zika virus is probably going to be a mild infection with a fever and a rash.
The state is also testing pregnant women with the symptoms. They're the main concern because the virus can be transferred to a fetus and is linked to multiple birth defects.
Unfortunately, there is no treatment, nor is there any vaccine to protect against.
As for the Erie County resident with the virus, Dr. Burstein says they're on the road to recovery.
I can report that this person is well now.
The state plans on upping their surveillance of mosquitoes as the warmer months roll around to make sure our area doesn't get any of the kinds that can transmit this virus. In the newsroom, Allie Ingersoll, News 4 at 11.
Thanks, Allie. As we learn more about this case, we'll continue to bring you updates here on air and on the web at WYVB.com.